I think I'm gonna go with the one with the protective cover. Okay, $9.99 Amazon Prime. We're ordering this and stay tuned for that video.
That's now. It's this video. That's the video we're doing today.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today I'm gonna color my hair. Kinda, not really. With chalk. So, 3 months ago I posted a video where I was reacting to a troom. I wanna say it was troom.
Get ready. Once you dye your hair, you dye the whole
It's
world
troom. So I reacted to a troom video about the struggles of dyeing your hair. And in the video, they had a lady dye her hair with chalk. And when I say, I do not believe that she used chalk to get such a bright and vibrant color payoff. Honey, you can't tell me that chalk got you that color. Somebody lying. So right now my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, protein treated, and as we saw in our last video, my ends are nicely trimmed. So to test out this hair chalk, I'm thinking to do a braid out. I know I did a braid out for my last video, but I've been really feeling braid outs lately. I don't know, it's just the vibe I'm working with right now, okay? So in the original video, the instructions were to wet the hair and then apply the hair chalk. And well, I'm not quite sure. Maybe I'm wrong.
I was wrong.
But I feel as if I use this hair chalk on wet hair, the color might end up looking clumpy. And I feel if it used on dry hair, it gonna be looking chalky. I just feel as though the most logical way, my hypothesis, is that the best way to use this hair chalk is on damp hair.
Very wrong.
I think damp and wet is a very fine line, you know. Like, how damp does your hair have to be before it's called wet, you know? Because damp is just like kind of wet. It's not like fully wet. Is my hair still damp or is it not wet? Alright, let's unbox this. Okay, so I got gloves, I guess, to protect my fingers from the chalk. I really didn't even think that would have been an issue. It's chalk. Just wash it off. Okay, they come in seals. I thought it would have been like one long tray.
That actually wouldn't make sense.
Alright. This looks neat. Come on, this looks really neat. Wow! So I really love how these actually look like little mini combs. This is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna be doing about 8 or 9 plaits in my hair to do my braid out, and I'm gonna be using 1 comb per braid. Color hair, rainbow hair, unicorn hair, whatever you want to call it. This really should not be very complicated. We have to add our curling cream. Hopefully that doesn't disturb how well this chalk works on our hair. It's not a lot added. Alright, let's start with pink first. Just comb it down.
It's the sound of that dry hair for me.
Oh, this is the pink. I'm just not sure how I feel about running this comb through my hair so often. I wonder if I spray the chalk, it would work.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Jesus have mercy upon me hand. Maybe I just started out with the wrong color. Oh, wow. Okay. There's a cap. Oh my gosh. Now we have the chalk. I mean, this was cute and all, but I feel as if this is tearing up my hair, so. And now we can actually use the block of chalk and focus it directly on my hair. Oh, look at that. Don't have that darn comb thing blocking progress. Look there. So much better. Let me dampen my hair again. Yeah, I think we crossed that line now. It's not damp anymore. It's wet. My only worry right now, honestly, this isn't very moisturizing for my hair. Oh my lord. Like, my hair is wet, but it's feeling dry. Chalk is drying. It's everywhere now. Close to my roots. But you can see the pink. You can see pink now. Like, it's pink. So this is my hands after it's washed. Oh, so that's why they gave me the gloves. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna do is yellow. So we're not going to even bother waste our time using this cute little comb thing. We're just gonna pop the cap open and use a chalk. This yellow color is definitely reminding me of that DIY wax color that I made with crayons. Pink and yellow. Blue next.
Girl, what we've been waiting on. Girl, I'm ready for your love. In the morning when I rise, I wanna wake and see you smile. No, I won't run like the other ones. Feel my touch in the morning. Cause girl, you won't cry no more. No, don't you show me the door. Cause this love is gonna stay. I said I go running in the rain. Oh, you're my one and only. We'll catch the sun in the morning. It's on, I'm not leaving. This love got me dreaming. I know what you need and I'll be here in the morning. Come on, no more thinking. Don't cry, we ain't leaving.
White. I think white is next.
Wake up, no more dreaming. Girl, I'll be here in the morning. Do you believe me, girl? Oh yeah. Girl, don't you be acting shy. Girl, let your heart out tonight. I still believe in
This green is not looking very impressive.
In the morning, oh girl, we put in too much time. So no, I'm not gonna leave your life. In the morning when you rise, I wanna stare into your eyes. Oh, you're the one that I'm wanting. Let's catch the sun in the morning. It's on, I'm not leaving. This love got me dreaming. I know what you need and I'll be here in the morning with you. Come on, no more thinking. Don't cry, we ain't leaving now.
I don't think the white's getting enough shine back there, so I'm gonna use white for this extra black.
In the morning time, girl, I'ma make it through the night. That's a bet, baby. You can have it any way you like. See, you're used to doing things in the PM. Well, let me introduce you to the AMs.
Now we just have to allow our hair to dry. Wow. Let me tell you from now, my expectations are low. Low. I can't even tell which color each plait is anymore. I mean, is this blue or purple? I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be yellow. Pink? Like, well, I mean, I don't know if you're disappointed, but I'm not. I already told y'all I never have high expectations for this, so let's hope at least I have a nice braid out. Well, it's kind of looking like fuchsia with my red hair as the base. Well, this is supposed to be pink. And if you're asking if my hair is dry, yes it is. Yes it is. Yay! You made it to intermission! If you're enjoying this video, answer this question down below in the comment section and we'll chat about it the next time we go live. I'm not seeing any yellow. Oh gosh, this looks like pink. Ugh. This is this blue or purple? This looks more purple. This looks more blue. Yeah, okay. So blue and purple. Does it look as dry as it feels? You tell me. Purple. Okay. The blue was definitely brighter. I'm not hating it. Ooh, the ends. The ends got really nice and saturated. I think this was red. That's why I put it at the back, you know. That's boring. Red. My hair is already red. Oh wow! I got some red on here. Okay. The white isn't coming through very much at all. Even my gray hair is brighter than this white. So I'm not really seeing white. I'm just seeing dull hair. I can't really tell by the braid, but process of elimination says it's green. I'm not sure that's a very flattering shade of green. And this one at the front was orange. Yeah, this was orange. I mean, if I just came up to you and say, what color is this? Like, you can pick up that it's orange, right? You can see that my hair is multicolored. Look there, look at the back. Multicolored hair, what do you know about that? Look at the back. Multicolored hair. And my hands are not so bad. They're not so bad. Oh, and the next thing, compared to other temporary hair dyes I've used, like the colored wax, this is not flaking as much. They're like little specks on my shirt. I'm pretty sure you can hardly see it, but like it's not flaking all over the place. And I mean, once I keep my hands out of my hair, it don't seem like it would transfer very easily. Like, it's on there until I wash my hair. That's how it feels. See guys, moral of the story, keep your expectations low. Anyway beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of my hairstyle. My multicolored hair using chalk. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I'm not offended. You know, it's fine. All I'm saying is, you might regret it. And to save you from such lifetime regret, I am going to leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then, you know, if you can sit down through 2 or 3 of my videos, it just means that you actually enjoy my content, and it just makes sense you subscribe. It's simple logic. You can't argue with logic. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Did my voice just crack?